language in this video. So I name it ELPL. This is the logo I created for my programming language. So ELPL is English like programming language. So this won't be any use if you intend to use it in development, because this language is not intended to be used in any kind of development, because this language is like very closer to a human language that will be difficult for the machine to understand. So it will be a longer like loading times. It will increase loading times. So but this language will be very easy if someone is a beginner learning to programming. Like it can be used for pseudocode, like a visualization of an algorithm, but not for development, because it's not intended for development. So let's code in our language. So we have a code, so let's run it first. So x is 5, because we again initialized x, so the 5 will be considered, 2 won't be considered. So x is x5. So here is a conditional statement. I will be doing code. It's pretty straightforward, guys. Like, this is a conditional statement, and as you can see, if x is greater than y, then print this, otherwise this. So we'll run this. Oops, we have initialized y, so here is y. X is now bigger, as you can see. Okay, now actually I have not included the semicolon. If we try to enter a semicolon, like let c be 0, so the semicolon will give us a compiler error. As you can see, unexpected character, semicolon. So this, guys, is a multi-line comment. So as you can see, I'll show you from here. If I enter this, so this will be returned, because this is a multi-line comment. Okay, so now we'll be doing something in loops. So let x be 0. So I'm using while loop. So while x is less than 10, print x, let x be x, add 1. So this will be x plus plus. So it's pretty straightforward, but you cannot write x plus plus because this is not designed. So here, as you can see, loop is running, but if you want to print something else, like hello world, you can do that like this. Okay, I have created a special type of loop, guys, that is repeat loop. So it's pretty straightforward, with its name repeat 10 times and the statement inside the braces. So repeat hello world. So this will simply repeat the hello world. As you can see, you can do anything else like hello. So repeat. If you want to repeat it 5 times, this will repeat 5 times. If you want to like 3 times, this will repeat 3 times. Okay, now we'll see some true and false statement like booleans. So let b be not false. So print b. So it should print true like this. If it's false, let b be false. So it should print false. Okay. So I'll show you something else, like an arithmetic operations. Let a be 2. Let b be 3. So print you can do this concatenation as well. X plus y equals, so x add, sorry, a add b, so sorry, this should be a and b, this should add ab 5. So we can do like 8 4, so we can divide like this. So here we'll be writing, you can see we can do this. It has some bugs, guys, so we'll be fixing and adding more features to it. So I'll make another video with the comprehensive coding in my language. Okay, like if you want to subtract, you just need to type subtract, and here in minus, here you go. Okay, now we'll be calling some function. Let's say we'll function greet and print hi, how are you. Okay, call greet. You have to call function like this, like you just simply call, write call and create the function name, and the anything inside the function will be done as you do in like your programming language. Here you go. Okay, now we can do something else with our function hello. Okay, if x is greater than y, then print x, otherwise print y. So let x be 2 and y be 3. Okay, call hello. As you can see, we can concatenate some strings like this. Yes, like this number is greater. Oops. Always print. No. This is not greater. No, this is not greater. You can do something else with your function, like let x be 0. You can simple run some loops while x is less than, simulate print Okay, say hi. And let x be x and calling hello will be printing. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow for more interesting videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Peace out.